SEZANE is already starting to bring out some fall pieces, and I don't know about you, but I am not ready to say goodbye to summer yet. So in today's video, I have some gorgeous SEZANE summer pieces to share with you, some dresses and some skirts, things I think you're really gonna love, and I can't wait to share them with you. Let's get started. In my last SEZANE video, I tried the Erica top and I loved it so much that I kept it, and I've been wearing it constantly all summer. So when I came across the Simone dress on the website, I had to give it a try. Purple is not usually a color I gravitate to, but something about this rich, deep, dark purple really caught my eye. I love the little hot pink trim that just pops against this purple. This deep V neckline is very flattering, shows a little décolleté, emphasizes the shoulders here with the ruffles, and being sleeveless just makes it that much perfect for summertime. It is a 100% organic cotton dress, and it has a ribbed detail. As you can see here at the chest, it is pulling a little bit, and so you can see a little bit of see-throughness. The website suggests that you size down if you're in between sizes, but I went with my usual size medium, and I'm very glad I did because it is a very fitted dress, and if it were to be any tighter, you would probably see a lot of this pulling here throughout the dress, and I wouldn't want it to be too revealing. It's a midi length dress, but I can forgive it for that because I really love the shape of this dress. It's definitely body hugging without being too bodycon, as long as you stick to your regular size. I'm wearing a full bra under this, and you can see that it's easily concealed under this dress without any problem, although you could also opt for a strapless bra as well. I think this is a very easy, comfortable, and throw on and go type of dress that looks elevated and chic, also very sophisticated, and has a little bit of sexiness to it as well. And I challenge you to try a color that is outside your norm of color choices. You might be surprised how much you like it. Next up, we have the Mariata skirt. This is a mini skirt with a little bit of a flare. It is a viscose and silk blend, and it has this gorgeous floral pattern which really caught my eye. Everything from coral and purple to a little bit of pink and green. I think it's a beautiful print, and it's beautifully constructed skirt. The skirt also has a lining underneath it. I'm wearing my usual size, a French 38 US 6, and I'd say it fits very true to size. Fits beautifully here at my waist. I just love these colors. You can literally pull any color off of this skirt and wear it as a solid on your top half. I opted for white, so I'm wearing the wand top also from SEZANE. It is a medium, which is my usual size, and I like how it fits. However, I'm a little disappointed in it. I'm finding it to be a little on the thinner side. It is organic cotton, but the website makes it look like it's thicker than it is. I can see the outline of my bra here, which I'm not really enjoying, and I would prefer it to be a little thicker, more substantial, so I'm most likely not going to keep this tank top. However, this skirt is very darling. It is a mini skirt, but it's not too short. I am 5'7" for reference, and it's hitting me just a little past the middle of my thighs. I'd say I'm very impressed with this skirt. If you love florals and color and mini skirts, I think this one is perfect. 3 words to describe this dress, I would say timeless, flattering, and feminine. This is the Solita dress, and I'm absolutely in love with it. This is the quintessential summer dress, and this will take you from summer to summer to summer because a style like this is classic, elegant, sophisticated, very feminine, and one that you will never tire of. Eyelet patterns like this just scream femininity to me, and I love that so much. This dress is very flattering. It has a belt. Even without the belt, it has a beautiful waistline detail, but the belt just helps you accentuate it that much more. There are no loops on the side of the dress, so you can wear this belt at your natural waist. And the skirt style is a skater style because it's very full and voluminous and very flowy, flirty, and girly. I'm in my usual size 6. I'd say it's very true to size. I love the sleeveless style. I love that it doesn't have a collar. It has buttons all the way down. I left a few open here just to show a little extra skin. This is a short dress, but it's definitely not mini. It's made of recycled polyester and cotton, but the feel of it is so nice. I would not have known that it had any polyester in it at all. So I'd say it's very well made, beautifully constructed. I think this is a gorgeous, classic, timeless dress. If you tried this, I know you would fall in love with it. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, please take a quick second and hit that thumbs up button. Let YouTube know that you're enjoying it, and it helps the channel out so much. And if you're new here and love SEZANE content, as well as dressing in a sophisticated modern style, I think you'll really love it here, so please consider subscribing. On to this next outfit. It wouldn't be a summer haul without a cord set, and this from SEZANE is exquisite. This cotton linen blend is breathable, and this beautiful olive color along with this gorgeous gorgeous embroidery just gives me Mediterranean vibes. Get ready to show a little bit of skin because you could see a little bit of it peeking through the top. It has buttons down the front, but I like to leave it open. In fact, I would probably even iron this or steam this to keep it open because I'm not too crazy about how it looks closed like this. I'm not normally a big fan of balloon style sleeves. However, in the summertime when you don't want anything too clingy, I'd say these are perfect, and you can easily scrunch them up if you prefer to do that as well. I'm wearing a size 6 in the top, and it's very true to size. It even has a little bit of room here for my broad shoulders, and it's very comfortable in its feel. As for this gorgeous matching skirt, I love this fitted detail here through the waist and hips, and then it flares out at the bottom. It has buttons that end about mid-thigh, and then it has an opening down there, as well as some gorgeous embroidery and a little bit of a flare detail too. It's really such a flattering, gorgeous skirt. For the sizing on this skirt, the website says it runs large, so definitely go for your lower size. I went down to a size 4, and I'm glad I did because it does fit beautifully at the waist and flares out wonderfully. I have the top tucked in, it's very comfortable, and it's really, really gorgeous. As much as I love a co-ord set, I also love to wear the pieces separately, and in this case, I've tried the skirt on with a tank top also from SEZANE. This one is a one-shoulder asymmetrical style, and I'm loving how this one looks. I picked it up in the medium, and it's my usual size, and I really prefer this one over the other one. Even though I do love the square neckline of the other one, this one seems to have a little more of a substantial feel to it. Overall, I'd say this olive set is a match made in heaven, and it's wonderful for the summer season. Also very classic in style that I think you can wear this year after year, and it will always look timeless, classic, and elegant. Another purple dress and a patterned dress. Who am I becoming here? I'm just loving getting out of my comfort zone and trying on new things. This is the Eliona dress. This is 100% organic cotton, and it's a patterned knitted dress. Sleeveless, of course, and it is rather fitted in style, basically like a column. There are no slits on the sides or in the back, but plenty of room to move around in. This zigzag pattern caught my eye. It was giving me Missoni vibes, and that's why I had to give this one a try, even though it is purple. Other than that, it's a very simple styled dress, very easy to wear. I'm in a size US 6, and I'd say it's very true to size. I love that it is fitted but not overly clingy, so I don't feel self-conscious in my tummy area that it's hugging me a little too much. It's fitting just right, if you ask me. If I were to have to pick between this purple dress and the first one that I showed you, I would definitely opt for the first one, but if you're not into that low-cut style of it, then this one is a wonderful second option. I did change into a strapless bra for this dress because the straps were showing just a little too much here for my liking. I suppose you can also opt for a racer back bra. I think it's a beautifully constructed dress. It's really elegant, classic, and simple. Nothing overly special about it. It's just a beautiful everyday summer dress, and I don't think you can go wrong with it. And that brings me to the end of today's video. Shopping links are below in case you want to try any of these things out. Let me know in the comments section if any of these items caught your eye and what your favorite piece was. Please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up before you go today, and consider subscribing if you haven't yet already. I'd love to have you come back. Please take care of yourself, and I'll see you very soon in another video. Have a good day.